Good morning. You're going to be taking quiz number 10 on page 63 of your interactive notebook, and it is, of course, November the 10th, 2016. So let's go ahead and get started. Question number 1. What type of energy is stored inside of this Energizer battery? What type of energy is stored inside of this Energizer battery? Please go ahead and record that. That is question number 1. Question number 2. We plug in our phones and we need what kind of energy source to charge up our cell phones? What kind of energy source do we need when we plug that thing in right there to recharge our cell phones? This is question number 2. Question number 3. This device right here is a energy temperature gun. When you point it, you can see the red dot. That will give you an idea of what the temperature is, where that red dot is pointing. So what kind of energy is being made by this device? What kind of energy is being made by this device? So you can see that we are having some observational changes there. So if you would, just answer what kind of energy is being made by this device. Question number 3. Question number 4, inside of this device right here, inside of this light, is that battery. So that's a 9-volt battery. And we want to figure out what kind of energy is being made. So this is question number 4. What kind of energy is being made by this device? We're using that 9-volt battery there. Question number 5. Question number 5. If we were going to cut this paper, what kind of energy do we need to operate our scissors? We need a certain kind of energy to operate those scissors. That is question number 5. For question number 6, we're going to be looking at this device, and this device needs a certain type of energy to make that light. What type of energy does this device need to make light? That's question number 6. All right, this is question number 7. So we have our battery here, and we have, looks like a fan blade there. This question, you need to tell me 2 things. We are going to start with a certain type of energy, and we are going to end with a certain type of energy. So if you would, please tell me what we start with, and then tell me what we end with. So we are starting with a certain kind of energy, and we are converting it into another type of energy. That was question number 7. Question number 8. This is going to involve our Newton's cradle. We know that energy cannot be wasted or created or destroyed, and so what's the law that says energy cannot be created or destroyed? So go ahead and write that down for number 7. I'm sorry, question number 8. Question number 9. We're going to be looking at this device. Now this device uses that panel right there, and that converts into electrical energy. But what is it using to make that electricity? What is it using? What type of energy source does this device need? And that's question number 9. Question number 10. Some of you guys may not even really know what this is, but this is a can opener. We want to know what kind, if we give this mechanical energy by turning it, you can see that the result is that it turns those gears on the other side to open up a can. So what kind of energy is output on this item? What kind of energy is output? We know we need mechanical energy, so what kind of energy are we converting into? And that is question number 10.